Top 5 Python certifications best of 2024. In these booming advancements in machine learning and artificial intelligence, Python is one of the best high-level programming languages. It is also very easy to learn and use. It also serves as a good option for the best programming language to learn in 2024. Python is an established general-purpose high-level programming language.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
It was established by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Further developments were done by the Python Software Foundation. The primary position in Python is given to code readability. Because of its syntax, programmers will be able to create concepts with fewer lines of code. Python is an effective programming language that lets programmers work efficiently. It is often used to build websites, automate software tasks, and regulate data analysis. Most modern OS, i.e., operating systems, are written in C languages. Python is also one such C language that prevents exceptions in real time. That makes it an effective programming language. What makes Python such an effective language? What are its attributes? Let's discuss the following. Features of Python. Easy to code, Python is a developer-friendly language. Compared to other programming languages like C, C++, Java, Visual Basic, etc., Python is a very easy-to-learn programming language. Free and open source, Python is open source software. It can be freely or easily downloaded from the official website. This is where the latest version of Python will be available. Object-oriented language. The key feature of Python is that it supports OP's concept, i.e., object-oriented programming. It covers the main features of OPs, for example, classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, and more. Portable language. Python is a portable language. Python's code can run on any platform. The best example to understand this is that in Java, bytecode is generated by a compiler to keep data secure and can run on any machine containing the JVM. Similarly, Python programs support any modern OS where their script is interpreted, so they can be written equally well on Linux, Unix, and Windows without any demand for adjustments. Interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language as it goes through the interpreter, where the interpreter in Python reads and executes code instantly. Meaning that while writing source code in Python, the code is executed line by line at the same time, unlike other programming languages that require debugging. Top Python certifications in 2024. 1. PCEP, Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer. PCEP is a beginner or entry-level Python programming certification. To take up this course, you need to know about procedural programming and how it works, and should also know the flowcharts and algorithm creation. Through this certification, an applicant can learn about the core principles and fundamentals of Python. The PCEP certification exam covers the following topic syllabus: basic formatting and output methods, handling Boolean values, compilation versus interpretation, constants, variables, and variable naming conventions, user-defined functions, fundamentals of computer programming, inputting and converting data. Benefits of PCEP certification. Having PCEP certification tells that the programmer or an applicant knows all the necessary concepts of Python. This course also covers all the syntax and semantics of the different Python constructs and data types offered by the language. PCEP training enables crisp knowledge of general coding techniques using standard language infrastructure and basic programming skills using Python. The average entry-level salary for a Python programmer with this certification is $59,888. To PCAP, Certified Associate in Python Programmer. PCAP is a second-level or associate-level programming certification exam for Python. This certification helps you measure your skill to complete the Python coding tasks related to the basics of programming in Python. This course also contains the essential notions and concepts related to object-oriented programming. With this certification, you can stand out in the competitive job market. PCAP covers the following syllabus: Basic Formatting and Outputting Methods, Python Basics, Using Boolean Values, Compilation Versus, Interpretation, Variables and Variable Naming Conventions, Defining and Using Functions, Fundamentals of Computer Programming. Benefits of PCAP certification. Having PCAP certification verifies that the applicant or programmer has the essential knowledge about the concepts of intermediate-level Python programming. The course also covers all the main concepts of different Python constructs and the fundamentals of OOPs. The average annual salary of a PCAP certified Python programmer is $80,499. Get PCAP certification through Cisco's Python course. 3 PCPP1 and PCPP2, Certified Professional in Python Programming 1 and 2. Once you are done with the core concepts of Python, or if you have 3 to 5 years of experience in Python programming, you can prepare for a professional Python programming course. A certified professional in Python programming will consider your experience and skills in programming in Python in the following areas: text file handling, GUI-based programming, encapsulation, inheritance, advanced object-oriented programming, PEP conventions, metaprogramming. By having this globally recognized qualification, you will stand out in a competitive job market. Professional Python programmers are in demand, and many of the recruiting agencies and firms are looking for programmers with this qualification. Certified Professional in Python Programming to PCPP2 is an advanced level certification course offering skills in Python MySQL database handling. PCPP2 certification will consider your expertise and programming skills in the following areas: basic directory structure, CRUD operations, design patterns, observer and proxy, singleton and state design, template method, model view controller using Python. 4 Certified Expert in Python Programming, CEPP. The CEPP Python certification tag is for experts who have completed all of the OpenEdge Python Institute's programming certification programs. It is one of the most advanced qualifications a Python developer can achieve from the Python Institute. Having this globally recognized qualification will verify your skills in Python programming. It highlights skills based on the universal concepts of Python programming. CEPP certification also showcases how to resolve typical implementation challenges in different verticals of Python. Benefits of CEPP. Having a certification in Python programming shows that the developer has industry-level skills in Python. This certification identifies that the candidate has covered all the topics, from the basics to the advanced level of OOP's concepts, GUI programming, and more. With this certification, one can also apply for senior job roles in software development. The estimated salary for a programmer with this certification will be $17,350 to $39,945 per annum. 5 Introduction to Programming Using Python by Microsoft. Apart from the above-mentioned certifications, here is a certification that ensures you are ready to face the challenges faced by Python professionals. Introduction to Programming in Microsoft is another entry-level programming certification. This certification covers all the syntax, data types, and basic understanding of Python. This certification also teaches how to logically solve problems using Python constructs. Applicants interested in enrolling for this certification should have at least 100 hours of experience in Python programming, debugging skills, logical development, and decision-making skills to maintain well-documented Python code. Benefit: having Microsoft certification verifies that the Python programmer or applicant knows Python concepts and will help them to get into their desired job. The average entry-level salary given to this programming certification will be $56,000 per annum.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.